our new tools in the garden. Oh, you're stuck because of your wheel. Look at your wheel. Look back and look at your wheel. There you go. Now we're going to use these bunk beds, these loft beds, as stuff to improve the garden. My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama, Mr. Baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead. How about we put it into the dip?
Oh, you just go run down over. Where's your car? Why are you not driving it? I can't drive it. You can drive it. No, because this chive is going to keep getting big. And I don't know what sage does, but... Yes. Huh? Over there with the kids trying to jump on the trampoline. Oh, he's trying to get Layla's feet. Oh, that's some good looking soil. And it's got a worm in it. What are you doing with my stuff? Oh, he's in water. Whatever you like. And you got her fingerprints done? Oh, I think I've seen it. But that's always the name in movies too to watch. I wonder what she's doing with her business. You ever talk to her? I wonder if those need a trellis or something.
Probably, I think so. Look at it. They're really funky.
Oh, I know a cute trellis. What is that again? Dill? Oh my gosh, is that the stuff that we were eating?
Oh, is that dill?
No wonder. Taste it, David. No wonder. Maybe that's why I don't like it. Let me have a piece because I can tell you the disgusting flavor. Let me have a small piece, but I'm thinking that maybe because that packet was the stuff that I got from Nice Mom.
It might be the same.
Let's see. It looks the same. Oh, yep. Oh, David, that was Dill.
Oh, I think I like it.
Oh, heavenly dirt. I would come up a little bit forward. In case dill spreads. Oh, I think that was dill. I'm gonna go eat that plant again and see. Oh, yay. So these ones are the ones that say cut and will grow back. That's kind of weird.
Okay, garden. Oh bother! The dill didn't make it, but I covered it in mulch, so it may grow through, it may not, we'll see. The sage, however, it is staying alive. It is staying alive. Ooh, ah, it is staying alive. So, that's good. And I covered it also with some mulch, just to keep it warm, as well as, I don't know, whatever mulch does. I think it's gonna come back. Cause this came back after I covered it with mulch. So, just let it be. Let it be. My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town. On the Carter's tiny homestead.